Introducing Transforma X, the world's most advanced gym, travel, commuter, adventure bag. A bag specially designed for professionals, athletes, travelers, and explorers. It's the only bag with a removable air purifier that stops odors in their tracks, killing bacteria with ultraviolet light and ozone gas. To freshen clothes, simply press the button on the front of the purifier, stick it into any of the 3 mesh air purifier pockets, and close the main compartment. The external ventilation system allows air to circulate from the inside to the outside of the bag, leaving no place for bacteria to grow. Never lose power again and charge your mobile devices up to 3 times using the removable, shockproof, waterproof solar power bank. And that solar power bank, it also doubles as a flashlight when you need it. It's the only backpack with a built-in sensor and integrated digital scale. It keeps track of the exact weight in ounces, pounds, or kilograms being carried, ensuring compliance with airline baggage restrictions. Is food going bad in your bag? Transforma has an insulated side pocket that lets you stow hot or cold beverage bottles or small food items, keeping the temperature you want for up to 5 hours. Transforma's waterproof exterior shields electronic devices and other valuables from rain, sleet, and snow, ensuring that all content stays safe and dry. This tech-friendly tote offers premium support to today's digital nomads, starting with secure, easy-access storage for laptops up to 15 inches. Commuters will love the diverse array of storage options the Transforma X offers. From special pockets ideal for storing chargers, wallets, shavers, and almost everything else, to a multi-purpose pocket with a book compartment and a keychain holder. The clamshell opening gives access to the 39-liter interior that can hold up to 100 items. That's more than enough for your upcoming trip or adventure. The mesh netting in the main compartment lets you separate and isolate dirty clothes from clean ones. The valuables compartment is padded with anti-scratch lining for convenient storage for iPads, tablets, and almost any expensive items such as jewelry and watches. Zippered pockets in the shoulder straps serve as a secure place to store credit cards, IDs, and other small valuables. These pockets are also used to store our multi-tool that has 10 day-to-day uses. Stowable ergonomic shoulder and waist straps let you convert the Transforma X from a duffel bag into a backpack, letting you choose the weight distribution that works best for you. This smart design puts an end to back or neck pain. Adjustable side straps let you secure bulky items like a tripod, yoga mat, or even a large towel. Another gadget for hikers is a survival bracelet that includes 8 outdoor essentials. The Transforma X Smart Bag is everything you could want a bag to be: secure, dependable, versatile, and convenient. Choose the bag that adapts to you. Choose Transforma X.
Hello everyone, I am Nabil and this is Omar, and we're the founders of SigmaFit and the creators of the Transforma X bag.
SigmaFit is a techwear company specialized in the athletic gear and accessories.
We're engineers who quit their full-time job to change how people think about their athletic gear by implementing technology.
That's why we started our first hydrophobic line, which is stain repellent, liquid repellent, minimizing the water, electricity wasted.
1 year ago, we decided to solve a huge problem by creating a bag that can fit working professionals, athletes, travelers, and hikers.
So we started creating the Transforma bag, which will have ultraviolet rays technology, O3 purification that kills the bacteria, purify the air inside the bag. Not only that, it will fix a huge issue for the travelers by having an integrated weight scale. And finally, it will have a solar charger that could charge all your electronics gadgets.
This is our first time on Kickstarter, and we're coming to you with the smartest bag ever created. Since the launch of our brand SigmaFit, we pledge to offer the best products and experience to our customers all over the world. Transforma X has always been our biggest dream, and with your support, we'll make it a reality. Thank you.